Driving with bald tires is dangerous, yet we often underestimate the risk. And I get it, replacing tires isn't cheap or convenient. But did you know that bald tires can increase your stopping distance by up to 90%? That's significant. Bald tires lack tread depth, which means they can't properly channel water away when roads are wet. This can lead to hydroplaning, where your car loses contact with the road entirely. Imagine skating on ice, but with a few thousand pounds of metal. Now, you might wonder how long you can really drive on bald tires. In dry conditions, you might feel okay until you suddenly aren't. But the real kicker is wet or icy roads where bald tires offer almost no grip. For our detail folks, the legal tread depth in most states is 2/32 of an inch. You can check yours with a penny. Just stick Abraham Lincoln's head into the tire groove. If you see all of his head, it's time for new tires. Pro tip, replace tires at 4/32 inch for optimal safety. You don't have to sacrifice peace of mind just to squeeze a few more miles from your tires. Tire gauges are worth the minor investment to check tread regularly. Beyond safety, bald tires hurt fuel efficiency. Less grip means your engine worked harder, burning more gas. If showing up at the pump twice a week rather than once isn't motivation, I'm not sure what is. And still thinking of delaying that tire change? Consider this. Bald tires increase stopping distance by up to 20% even in dry weather. That's the difference between a close call and a totaled car. Numbers don't lie, Okay, let's talk law and penalties. In many states, driving on bald tires can land you a fine of up to $250. It's like paying a premium to risk your life. Crazy, right? It's all avoidable with timely replacement. Crazy. Here's how to address this. Aid your grown-up self with a regular tire check. Every month and before any long trip should suffice. Rotating them every 5,000 to 8,000 miles can extend life and performance. If cost is a factor, shop during sales or look for tire financing options. The market is competitive and you can strike a sweet deal if you do some legwork. Saving money doesn't mean sacrificing safety. Insurance woes are another angle. Accidents caused by poor tire conditions can lead to denied claims. Yep, you read that right. Your insurance provider isn't always on your team if negligence is involved. In the end, when you're cruising down the highway with your favorite tunes, you'll thank those fresh tires. And I'll say you're welcome. Stay safe, drive smart, and treat those tires like the lifeline they are.